Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to biology class. This is me, Miss Sofia Yaqub from APS Boys Sialkot, and today is Wednesday, 6th of May 2020, and it's week 6. The chapter we are studying is solving a biological problem. The topic which we are studying is study of malaria as an example of biological method. Let's have a recap. We studied history of malaria in our previous video. Malaria is an ancient disease, and at that time its causes and cure were unknown. That its cure was discovered accidentally from the cinchona tree. Then we studied about the contribution of Leveran. Leveran discovered plasmodium in the blood of malarial patient. Then an experiment was done to prove that plasmodium is the cause of malaria. So our objectives are students will be able to describe how plasmodium gets into the body of a man. After finding out the cause and cure of malaria, a question came into the mind of scientists that how plasmodium gets into the blood of a man. Let's see how scientists find out the answer of this problem. To find out the answer, A.F.A. King, that is Albert Freeman, African King, in 1883 made few observations. He also used the previous observations. According to the old observations, malaria was associated with marshy area, but drinking the water of marshy area does not cause malaria. The observations made by A.F.A. King were people who slept outside were more likely to get malaria, people who slept near the smoky fire were less likely to get malaria, and people who slept under fine nets were less likely to get malaria. On the basis of all these observations, A.F.A. King made hypothesis, and his hypothesis was mosquitoes transmit plasmodium, so they are involved in the spread of malaria. Scientists made two deductions by considering hypothesis as true. The first one, plasmodium should be present in mosquito, and the second one, a mosquito can get plasmodium by biting malarial patient. To prove the hypothesis, an experiment was done by a British Army physician named Ronald Ross in 1880s. Let's study about that experiment. Ronald Ross observed many mosquitoes. Then once he observed a female mosquito named Anopheles. He observed the stomach of that mosquito and he found few plasmodium in it. Ronald Ross led the female Anopheles mosquito to bite the malarial patient. Then he killed the mosquito and observed it under the microscope. He saw plasmodium in the stomach of mosquitoes. Then his next step was to let the mosquito to bite the healthy person to see if they get the malaria or not. He found it unethical to make a healthy person ill, so he redesigned his experiment. He took a sparrow ill with malaria and allowed Culex mosquito to bite it. Then he let that mosquito to bite the healthy sparrow. Later on, that sparrow got ill with malaria. Then Ronald Ross got interest to know the life cycle of Plasmodium. To find out the life cycle of Plasmodium in the mosquito, he observed the mosquito keenly. He observed that Plasmodium are multiplied in the stomach of mosquitoes and then they move towards the mouth. In 1898, few scientists tested the hypothesis by doing an experiment on human being. They took a person ill with malaria. They allowed Anopheles mosquito to bite him. Then they let that mosquito to bite the healthy person, and later on, that person got ill with malaria. Ronald Ross won the Nobel Prize in 1902 on his working. Now there is a question: when a female mosquito bites, why do we get a welt? Do you ever think about that? This is because when a mosquito bites, she injects her saliva so that blood do not clot there. That saliva creates an allergic reaction, and a welt is formed on our skin. So there is a question for you. Why do only female mosquitoes bite? Do male mosquitoes bite too? Just think about it and search about it. So it was all about today. Let's have a recap. We studied that on the basis of observations of A.F. King, Ronald Ross performed the experiment and made it confirm that mosquitoes transmit plasmodium. So, this is how scientists found out the answer of a biological problem. So, your assignment question is describe the steps of biological method taking malaria as an example. To find out the answer, watch the previous videos and this video carefully. Good luck.